Hello. Am I audible, guys?
Yep. Yes, audible.
Okay. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm just messaging it. 1 minute will start now. Okay, good morning, everyone. So let's begin the session now. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, very good one.
Yeah,
So let's begin the session, guys. Let the people join or not. We'll just complete that. So today's session we are beginning on we'll just see on the elastic pools. Okay. What is an elastic pool and how does it works? What is the use of this elastic pool? Let us try to see that. Okay. Okay, so just begin this. Okay, guys, so I'm just starting now. Azure SQL Elastic Pool. Okay. Guys, what is Azure? Okay. Elastic Pool, guys. Azure Elastic Pool. Okay, it's a group of single databases that share the resources, that share the common resources, Okay, guys. So Azure, that is SQL Elastic Pool, is a group of databases which share the common resources. Okay. This is the, this is the exact definition we can say. Okay. So guys, first of all, we will see, some notes for this. Then I'll show you practicals on this, guys. Okay. So I'm writing it Azure SQL Elastic Pool is a group of single databases that shares common resources, Okay. So guys, what is my common resources? Yes, common resources are nothing but, okay, common resources means what, guys? The amount of, guys, the amount of CPU power, the amount of CPU power, memory, then we have network bandwidth, and storage are assigned to the group, and and databases in the group, guys. Database in the group compute for the resources. That's it, okay? So guys, everyone, so now anyways, I will explain you this one diagrammatically. Okay. A pool is nothing but a group of resources, guys. From the group of resources, that means multiple databases can share. Okay. See, if it is a single database, it is an isolated database or not? Yeah.
Yes.
Single database means isolated database. So resources can be allocated by using the purchasing model called DTU based purchasing model or the vCore based purchasing model. Okay. Okay. So anyone can be assigned with that one. Now here, now this is the elastic pool, guys. Okay. So now guys, this is the elastic pool. So now I configured DTU based purchasing DTU based purchasing model, DTU based purchasing model as a standard pricing tier. Okay. Okay, a standard pricing tier here. Okay. So now guys, I'm using the elastic pool. So what is the standard pricing tier, guys? Oh, sorry. What is the standard size of storage? What's the standard size of storage? Elastic pool.
5 GB.
Huh?
5 GB.
It is 1 TB, guys.
Hmm.
1 TB. 1 terabyte. Okay. 1 terabyte. It is 1 terabyte, guys. Okay. And what about the DTUs? Okay. And what about DTU? DTU is nothing but compute. DTU is nothing but what? Compute. So standard pricing tier in DTU based purchasing model is storage is 1 terabyte, guys. Storage. This is nothing but what? This is the storage. Storage is what? 1 terabyte here. Storage is 1 terabyte. And 3000 DTUs for the compute. Storage is 1 terabyte. Storage is 1 terabyte and 3000 DTU is okay. This is the standard one, you have it. Now guys, suppose you understand this, guys. 1 DTU is taking, consider 1 DTU is taking 10 seconds of time to process the data. 1 DTU takes 10 seconds to complete the process. Now suppose you have 2 DTUs, guys. 2 DTUs. How much time will it take to complete the job? Tell me now. Hello?
20 seconds.
One DTU takes 10 seconds to complete the job. 2 DTU means what?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 5 seconds. Am I right? Yes. Am I right? Half of this now. If the power is doubled, automatically the time will be taken will be reduced or not? Huh?
Yes. Yes.
That's the only thing. So basically, uh, input and output will take 10 seconds for 1 DTU, 2 seconds, that is for 2 DTUs, it will take what's that 5 seconds. That's the only thing. That means when the power increases, automatically the time of processing will be reduced. Am I right or not? The processing power is also increasing. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Guys, if number of DTU units, if the number of DTU units increases, okay, if the and processing power proportionally increases, okay, proportionally increases. Okay. Okay. You will have two things. What's that? DTU and what's that? Storage. These are the two things you will have it. So DTU and storage are grouped together. DTU plus storage. DTU means what? Database transmission units. Am I right? These two are clubbed together here. Plus DTU and can you see here? DTU plus storage is coupled together, guys. Is coupled together here. Okay, coupled together. Tell me now, when it is coupled means what? When coupled means what? It is dependent or not? Yes, guys. If the storage plus DTU is coupled together, that means they are dependent on each other or not? Please tell me.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Obviously, they are dependent on each other if it is coupled together. If it is decoupled means what? Decoupled means what? Tell me now. Will it be dependent on each other?
No,
No.
it's not dependent.
Where redshift is called as what is that? Coupled architecture. Coupled architecture. Am I right? Whereas what about Azure? Azure has the coupled or decoupled architecture. Tell me now, guys. Hello. Azure has a coupled or decoupled architecture. Azure has a decoupled architecture anyways. Okay. Azure has what is that? Decoupled architecture. Okay. So both of them are not independent. They both are independent here. Okay. So basically, can you see here? When you talk about the single database, everyone, when you talk about the single database, guys, when you talk about the single database, the models are, what are the models? Tell me now. Hello? Models are, what is that? Basic is the first model. Basic is the standard is the second. Okay, basic, standard, and premium. Okay, premium, guys. These are the three type of what is that pricing types you will have. What is that? Basic, standard, what is it, basic, standard, and what is it, premium. These are the three type of things we have it. Okay, guys. These are the pricing models we'll have it. Okay. So whereas elastic pool is nothing but basically here, guys, when you talk about the elastic pool is a group of databases. The elastic pool is a group of databases stored in an that is pool, stored in an pool. Okay. So all the databases need to be an SQL database only. When you want to store the data in an elastic pool, that is whenever you want to store the data on what is that in an elastic pool, it should be only SQL database being hosted on a single server. If you have a different servers, guys, those cannot be stored in an elastic pool. Those cannot be stored in an elastic pool. Okay, guys, all of you clear?
Yes, yes.
uh, those cannot be stored in an elastic pool. So okay, so now guys, let's begin the process now. So I'll just tell you. So now one server, that means single server. So when you need to have a single server, guys, if you have multiple different servers are there, that you cannot assign it to this elastic pool. Okay, you must and should have a single server here, guys. Okay, so for that, just go here, open this. I'm open.
Can you share your screen, sir?
uh so guys, now I'm opening this. So guys, I'm just starting up. I'm creating a normal resource group. Everyone, click on the create. And now just assign this resource group. So I'm just giving the elastic pool RG. That's it, guys. Okay. Review and create now. Okay. Now, guys, this is ready. So elastic pool. Now, guys, try to create first of all the individual databases on multiple that is on the single server, guys, not on a different server. So I'm configuring it. Just open this. Okay. So go to the Azure SQL database. If it is not visible here, you can say Azure SQL database. So just type here Azure SQL database. Click on the create. So guys, just create it here. Select the resource group as it is. And now provide the database name. Okay. So now guys, assign it here a name. So I'm using it here. Okay. Database called what? Sales database. Guys, everyone, sales database. What's the name I'm giving? Sales database. and now define the server. So again, what is that you have it? The next one, I can say guys here, the server I'm giving as Durga Soft server. What is the name I'm using? Durga Soft server. Okay. So now authentication for the server, we have to give it, I'm giving it as a Durga admin. That's it, guys. The username and password is ready here. That's it now. So now let us try to go here and just check. So okay. So I'm just changing the pricing tier. Okay, let it be. Today I'm using the pricing tier as what's that? Guys, here just a minute. So now guys, here you can say the pricing tier as you say. Okay. So okay, guys, I'll do one thing. I'll write it the stepwise here. Okay. So how to create it? First of all, the step one, I'm just creating it. Everyone, the for the elastic pool, step one, create, guys, create multiple databases, multiple databases. Then second point is what? Create elastic pool. Okay, then we have what's that? The third one, configure elastic pool. Configure elastic pool with multiple database. Configure elastic pool with multiple databases. Okay, guys. So now, guys, let us try to go ahead here. So, guys, first of all, I'm creating the database. So, first database is what? Guys, the first database is the sales database. I'm writing it. Okay, everyone. So, I'm creating the first database as what? Yes, guys. First database is what? Sales database. I'm creating it here. So now when
Hello.
it comes to hello,
Yeah, I said create multiple database on a single server or multiple server.
single server,
Okay,
single server, not the multiple server.
okay.
Okay. So when you come to this, just go back. So I wanted to, anyways, just a minute. Click on apply. Now want to use the elastic pool. As of now, say no. Can you hear? So say no. And now today, instead of selecting the every day, we used to select what is that? We used to select the guys. We used to select what is that? Some basic purchasing model today, but I will select it here as this one. Okay, let it be standard. Right. So this one. Okay, the standard series. I'm selecting it. Configure it. Okay. And now see here. Now here also, instead of this, today I will purchase the, today also I'm just changing it to the general. That's it. Okay, as it is. So here can you see a vCore based purchasing model. So vCore, what is that is giving? This is the vCore. So I can say, so the maximum size here is, let us say 32 GB. Now I can just take it to the more I want it, 92 GB. The more you increase, the more price you have to pay. That's it. Okay. So redundancy, anyways, you can leave it as it is, guys. So go to the apply here. Now everything is fine, guys. Click on the networking tab, select the public endpoint and allow the firewall settings. Okay, guys. So click on the that's it, guys. From the networking tab, allow the firewall settings. That means you're allowing the Azure to access the server. So click on the review and again click on the create. That's it, guys. So guys, it's creating, deploying the process. Let's wait here. Yeah. So now it's deploying, guys. So I'm just using the refresh to create the database. Okay, guys, I'm refreshing it, just a minute. So let it create first. So guys, anyways, it's creating. Now I'm just let it create. Just a minute, guys. So it has to create, guys. Just a minute. Wait for some time. Okay. So now, anyways, it's creating up. Okay, so just a minute, because this will take some time, as you know, 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's done, almost all done. So it's creating now, guys. It's done now. Okay, so just open this. So now, guys, here you have it. So here what I'll do, I'll create. I have already created the sales DB as the first database. Guys, now I will create one more database. So let it be here. Just a minute. It's coming very slowly. Just wait. So loading the information, guys. Now can you see here? So here you have the database created with the server. Here you have it. So now what I will do is I will try to create one more database on the same server. So now I'm creating one more database, guys. Likewise, you can individually create many databases, but it should be hosted on the same server. So I'm just using the retail DB, retail database. So anyways, the server is same, so you need not worry. No, the pricing type, if you want, you can change it here. It is general purpose. Okay. vCore under the vCore based purchasing model, general purpose. Anyways, okay. See here. So click on the apply. Click on the networking tab. So add the current IP address. So say yes. Click on the review and again click on the create. Now, guys, so pricing tier and all those things, it can vary, guys. It doesn't matter here. Okay. It doesn't matter anyways. So anyways, I'm just opening the first database here. So what is the first database which you have created? The sales database. And the second one is the retail database. I'll open them individually. Okay. So guys, here you have it. So I'm just opening this. Open this. So guys, from the query editor, okay, leave it as it is. This is the first database. So where you have this one, and this is the second database which is being hosted on the same server. Likewise, you can create many databases. There is no restriction for creating the database. Okay. Now, so guys, it's creating meanwhile. Okay, it's ready now. Can you see here? This is also ready here. So we can say that on the Durga Soft server, there are two databases being hosted. One is the sales DB, another one is the retail DB. Now, guys, the third step, what we will do here is we will go with the creation of the elastic pool. We will go with the creation of what is it, guys? Elastic pool. So just put the control here and say elastic pool. Open this. So once you open this web page, portal.azure.com, and now here search here as what is it, guys? Search here as guys, search here as what? Elastic pool. elastic pool. So guys, here I'm using the elastic pools. SQL elastic pool, you have to select it. Okay. You have to select what is that? SQL elastic pool. So select the SQL elastic pool and click on the create, guys. Okay. Click on the elastic pool. And now, guys, can you see here? Here you have the resource group. Okay, the same story. You have to begin with this one and pool name. So I'm giving it as what? Okay. So name of the pool, anything you can give it here. Okay. So I can say here, okay. Transaction, transactions pool or transaction pool. Okay. Under the transaction pool, guys, Durga soft server already it is created and the pricing tier can see here. So just if at all you want to configure the elastic pool separately with this configuration, you can just do it here. So if at all still if you want to increase, because already the size is increased here, still if at all you wanted to increase it, can see here. Basics vCode based purchasing model with the what's it you have it? You have what is it vCore based 2 model, that is vCore based purchasing model, and it is 2 GB you have it. You can just increase this, and in the same way data storage. Okay, this one is the compute and this one is the storage. So maximum storage, can you see it? 93. What is the maximum storage you have it? 1500. Okay. That means 460 GB maximum. That's it, guys. So click on the apply. That's it, guys. So click on the additional setting. Just go here, everyone, on the top. Additional settings, nothing is there. Nothing is there. Tags, nothing is there. So click on the review and create now. So this is the estimated cost, 89,622 .70. Okay, anyways, click on the create. So that's a minute. That's it, guys. So now it's creating, just a minute. It's applying the process for the elastic pool. So just you have to wait for this. Okay, guys, so let's do one thing. So guys, this is ready now. Just open this. Everybody just open this. So once you have opened up, okay, guys, so just go to resource now. Now this is your elastic pool with a name called what? Transaction pool. Everyone. The name called what? Transaction pool here, guys. Just a minute, it's coming. You have to wait for the overview to start up now. Now, the two databases which you have created, guys, the two databases which you have created, we require to add it here. Okay. Now, can you see here? Now, tell me now, guys, everyone. Hello, what's the process next? You have to click on the, that means within the pool also, you can create the database. It means, am I right? So now I'll click on the configure. I'll click on the configure, everyone. Now, guys, I will configure it. Now, can you see here? So here you can say the configuration, you can just, okay. You can just define the configuration as per the requirement. Okay. Okay, guys. So we can just select it here as it is as per the requirement. If you wanted to increase the, that is nothing but V course. Okay. So you can just, that is nothing but the compute storage, compute you want to increase, you can increase it. Or else even the storage, if you want, you can increase it. So I'm giving 245, that means 73.5 GB, it's okay, log space allocated. If you want more than that also, it takes here. Okay, so we can just have it here up to whatever the extent you wanted. Okay, and this one, everything. So now click on the databases. Can you see here? Anyways, the database, you have to click on add database here because there is no databases added here. Am I right? We have created the database individually, but we have not added them. So just click on this add here. So these two databases are ready, guys. Can you see here, everyone? Hello. Are you there, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So click on this, add it now, apply. Add it here, see here, everyone. Look, guys, I'm just, we have added this, here, okay? So that's it now. We have added, and the same way, click on the save now. Now, click on the save. So just a minute. So just a minute, guys. So let it create now. Now can you see here? I'm saving it. So hence it's saving it to the pool now. Now, guys, this is ready. So just go to this now. See here, everyone. The two databases are added here. Now go to the data configure now. You will find it here. Databases. Just see here, guys. Can you see here? The logo is also changed here. Fine, everyone. Hello.
Yes.
So if you want to add one more database, you can add it if you want. Or else if you want to remove some of the database, you can remove it. Okay. Okay. Or per database settings, you want to change it, you can do it here. All these things you can do it here. Okay. This is how basically the and now this can be a source. The elastic pool can be a source. You can access the data from a particular database of the pool. Getting my point? You can access the data from a particular database of the pool. Okay, you can access the data. Suppose you want to access the data only from the sales DB. you can access the data only from the sales DB, guys. You need not worry on the rest of the database. That also you can configure it at the time of creating this. At the time of creating the link service, you can define like that. Okay, guys. Hello. Okay. So anyways, this is how we create the elastic pool, everyone. Okay. This is called as an elastic pool. So with this elastic pool, we can just access the data. We can take this as a source where you can have unlimited databases stored in an elastic pool. But all of them should be, the basic rule for elastic pool is that all of them should be hosted on a single server. Okay. So that's it, guys. With the elastic pool, we have it. Yeah. If you have any doubt, so I think everyone is clear with the elastic pool now. Am I right? Hello? Yes, guys, please say something.